Hello guys, welcome to 5 Minute Python. In this video, we are going to create a 4-digit password finder. It's also a beginner level project and this is our second project. The first project is number guessing game. If you don't watch this video, the link is in the description. Just check that. So let's move on to this project. So first, I'll explain the concept, then move on to coding part. So the concept is if the password is in 4-digit, the password must be in the range from 000 to 9999. Okay, so the concept is what we are going to do is we are going to loop through all these numbers. Okay, 9999 numbers, and we are going to check whether the password is matching this. Okay, any of this number. If that matches, what we basically we found the password. If not, we lose. Okay, so for example, first I will explain a module in from get pass. I will explain what this module do. So basically it's a built-in Python module. You don't want to install any third-party packages from get pass, import get pass. Okay, it's a function. Okay, get pass, this is a module, this is a function. So I just import the function get pass and I'll store password. I'll explain what it will do exactly. Okay, just wait. So enter password. What it basically do is just take user input as a hidden way. Okay, so the user input will be hidden. Okay, for example, if I run it, so here you can see if I type anything inside this, it will be hidden. Okay, so now I just write a 4-digit number here. I don't know what it is. So now we are going to find this password. Okay, we don't know this password, we are going to find that. Okay, so what we are going to do is we want to look through 9999 numbers and we want to check whether the password is equals to any of these numbers. Okay, within 9999. If it matches, we found the password. Okay, so let's look through that. So absolutely we are going to use for loops for I in range of 9999. And first I will break and explain why I break. Okay, so if I print I here, you can see print I here, you can there's only one digit. Okay, but the password must be in 4 digits. So what we want to do is we want to add 3 zeros before this zero or any of the digit. Okay, so for this Python has a function called zfill. Okay, so to use that function, first we want to convert this I. Okay, for this basically integer data type. First we want to convert this to a string. Okay, string I. So string has a function zfill. Okay, zero fill. Okay, so what it basically do is it will take an argument how many zeros you want to put before your number. Or for example, let's say if I put 4 here, you can see it just add 3 zeros before this zero. For example, if I put 1 here, okay, so it just add 3 zeros before 1. If I add 10, it will add 2 zeros before 10. Just fill 4 digit with zeros. Okay, so that's the functionality of this function, set fill zero fill. Okay, so now I want to put this here because we want 4 digit. Okay, we don't want 1 or 2 or 3 digit, we want 4 digit. Okay, the digit must be in 4 digits. Okay, so now we want to put I here and this is our guess. Okay, guess is equals to string I 0 fill 4. So now what you want to do is we want to check. Okay, so if guess is equals password. Okay, password, guess is equals password. What basically mean, it means that we found the password. Okay, print password, print password found. uh, we want to use format addition because we want to enter the variable guess inside the string. Okay, so the calculate and just putting the guess. Okay, so it's a variable. If you want to add a variable inside the string, we just want to put the f beginning of the string, and inside the calculate we can pass the variable. Okay, so and then we want to break. So if you found the password, we don't want to look through till now 9999. Okay, we can break it. Okay, so now I'm running it. So here you can see password is found. It's 1234. So we found the password. Okay, so maybe we can add another part, which is how much time will it take. Okay, will it take to find the password. Okay, so for that, Python has a function module named import time. It's also an inbuilt module. You don't want to install any third-party packages. Okay, so I'm just gonna this out. Okay, okay, maybe write in it find a number. Okay, so I just add a password. Now we want to check how much time will it take to find the password. So start time is equals to time. Okay, time is a Python module. We want from the module we want to get the function. Okay, time to time. Okay, so it will give our starting time. Okay, so this is our end time. Okay, here will be the end time. So time equals time. So the total time is how much time will it take, the difference between end time and start time. Okay, so if time is equals to end time minus start time, it's basically in seconds. Okay, so maybe we can maintain the in seconds. Okay, so print format string took uh, diff time. Okay, diff time seconds to find the password. Okay, so now I'm running. So it just ran within 0.0 seconds. Okay, yeah, let's say if I put 9999. Great. Okay, great. Okay, I'm running. So here you can see took a little bit longer because it's goes one by one. Okay, so this 9998 is at the final slot. Okay, so that's why it took long time. So that's it for today's video. Thank you. Bye.